All right, guys, I am on site with permission to do a Altalabs Wi-Fi changeout. The ISP here is hard to get a hold of, and it's some old technology, and they've been having some problems. So we proposed to them to do Altalabs. Altalabs got us the equipment early, and we're going to install it. I'm going to show a quick walkthrough here of what we're going to be doing, and then go from there. I was going to test the network and show you guys for here, but nobody knows the Wi-Fi password, so I can't really show you anything. And the battery's dead. I forgot to charge it for 2 weeks. So let's walk through. Down here we have a kids area. There is no Wi-Fi down here. There's just an Ethernet port. So what we're going to do is when the Ap6 Ws come inside, we're going to be putting an access point down there on there, and we'll be able to plug the phone in because they have pass-through. There is an upstairs, but we won't go up there. I'll show you a video in there of us changing the access point. Pretty simple. It's just a little area where it's 2 offices. But down here, it gets tricky. This is a building that's already pre-done. We can't do any drilling in it because we're on a concrete pad down here, and these are walls. So we're going to be putting more in-wall access points down here. And down here, over here, there's another room. We're going to be putting Wi-Fi in-wall access points here because they have PoE phones, so we could pass through and get Wi-Fi network. Now, the rooms are close. I will be attenuating and turning down the signal strength on the access points down here because we don't need that much strength. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you downstairs where the actual equipment is and then show you it being replaced. Let's have a look. We got early access to the first in Canada Switch 48 PoE. Awesome switch. I've already pre-programmed it, so it's ready to go. And over here, this is where we're going to clean this up and change it out. So we have 2 switches. We have an old Cisco SG200 and a Meraki thing. And then we have 3 Meraki access points in the building we're going to change out. So this is what it looks like now, and we'll show you when it's done. All right, I got my coworker Tony with me here.
That's me.
And he is going to put the ears on the switch.
Yeah.
Extremely hard task.
Very.
But I have delegated that to him to do because it's hard to do. And then you're going to use that red device beside you to put a label on there?
Absolutely.
Sweet. Okay. So this is the 48 port switch. Tony actually took it out of the box when I was leaving the office and pre-programmed it before I could even drool over it. So if we see any drool in here, not that I do, no drool.
I think I cleaned up after myself.
Yeah, I think Tony cleaned up after himself. But this switch, we can see here, has 16...
I'm gonna reach in front.
16 ports of these are 2.5. And it's all full PoE with 4 SFP ports. That's going to be a nice little switch for these guys. One of the things that I do on every site that I go to is I run the network discovery on my NetAlley device. Today I brought my NXG, but I have 3 other ones. Still got a little bit of battery left. The reason for this is if now we're changing over a huge network with a whole bunch of devices on this, the network discovery shows me everything that's active on it now. If anything goes missing, I will have a full report of everything that I can find on the network if it goes missing. Wi-Fi is all in, and we have my NXG with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the building and show you guys that we are able to roam and how good it is. So right now in the room, we have negative 50 dBm. We are at 1.1 gigabit or gigabytes per second. And we're slowly ramping off because it's way over there. So let's walk around. Let's go upstairs, Tony, and we'll see that it should roam to the other access point upstairs. Let's go. So as we can see, our graph has gone down because we haven't handed off yet. Roam is still at 0, but the access point is right there on the wall. Give it a couple more seconds. Not too sure why it's not showing me the roaming, but you can see that I went from access point to access point to access point. Okay, let's go downstairs and see the switch all in action and plugged in. As you can see, new switch is installed. We put some new cables in here. Couldn't really clean too much of this up because they're in a live environment. The phones are online, stuff like that. We only had limited time. So maybe one day when I come back and install the in-wall access points, I'll give a little bit more TLC on here. So everything's up and running, switch is online. We could hear the switch a little bit, but it's because it's a 750 watt PoE switch, so there's a little bit of a hum there, but is what it is. And that's it. So hopefully we are able to capture the next part of this video where we install the in-wall access points to give Wi-Fi that point of the building. So for now, I'll say bye, and Tony can do the same thing.
Might as well.